Hello everyone, I got some happy mail in the mail and I thought I would show you guys what I got. I got one order from Temu, and then I signed up for one of the clubs from Fat Quarter Shop. I believe it's the Moda Fat Quarter bundle, the petite bundle. So I'm going to show you which one I got from there, and we are going to start with the Moda one or the Fat Quarter Shop one because, well, I've had this one for a week. I've been sitting on it, haven't had time to open it, and kind of wanted to do a video, but I didn't want to do just one package, so I waited for my other one to come, which ended up coming late, which was unfortunate. But anyways, let's see. I believe this was supposed to be from the Sunnyside collection, so let's see what it is. Yes, it is the Sunnyside Petite Fat Quarter Bundle. I absolutely love these colors. These are so nice. Yeah, so I signed up for, it's the Fat Quarter Shop Moda Fat Quarter Club, and then I get a Fat Quarter bundle every month. It's actually a reasonable price. The shipping takes a little bit longer because I'm in Canada, but that's okay. I'll leave a link to this in the description box below. Fat Quarter Shop also has so many other clubs that you could sign up for if this isn't something you're interested in. But oh, I am loving these colors. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I love this one. Oh, I love them all. This is just gonna be so pretty. I think maybe I'm gonna do like a half square triangle sampler quilt with these, just by a nice coordinating background, and then do some sashing and cornerstones. I think that would look really nice. If you know of any good Fat Quarter bundle quilt patterns, let me know in the description, let me know in the comments down below which ones you prefer. Oh, I love these. These look so nice. I cannot wait to make something out of these. All right, let's do the Temu one. See what's in here without trying not to cut anything. This one I'm not sure on. I have no idea what this is going to be like. All right, got everything out of there. So the first thing that I ordered was, you might laugh at this, but free motion quilting feet. I was just like, they're $5 for 3 feet. If they don't fit my machine, didn't lose much, but we'll see. They don't feel very cheap or anything, so I'll definitely try them out on my machine, and then if they work, that'd be great, because, well, for $5, I mean, $5 Canadian, so American might be even a little bit less. Well, I've never done this before, so we're gonna try that. Maybe I'll do a video on my epic failures that are sure to come, but we'll see. And then I also ordered a 1/4 inch foot because, well, why not? This was like, I believe, $1 something. If I can get the baggie open. Nope, I can't. There we go. Yeah, so this is supposed to be like a 1/4 inch foot, and it has got like the little lip there. I don't know if you can see. So hopefully this will make it a little bit easier too. I don't know how accurate it is, but I'll definitely test it out and then I'll let you know. And then I ordered a little mini screwdriver because it's a little bit hard to get my plate off with the tool that I have, and I figured this would be a cute little thing. I guess I could take it out of the bag too. This isn't anything fun or cute, but it's a tool that you need, so why not? And again, it was like $1, so don't lose much if it's no good. And then I did start cross stitching, so I wanted to get some floss tube cards to organize all my floss tube. The reviews on these were good, but well, that's actually a really nice thick plastic. I thought it was just going to be like cardboard paper, but that's actually a really nice thick plastic. I think I'll like these. And these, I believe, were like $2 for 30 of them. So again, can't really go wrong. You don't lose a whole lot if it's no good. And then my straight pins were getting a little bit dull, so I got some more from here. And I figured, why not get some cute little buttons? And apparently this is taped shut. Let me just get that open. All right. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. They're little buttons. I think it's gonna be so cute. Let me grab some fabric here and see if they will actually work. All right, so I got 2 pieces of scrap fabrics here. Yeah, they're actually nice and sharp. No complaints here. And I believe there's 50 in that little container, so that's a lot of pins for that price. So I would definitely order these again if I needed them. But I use clips mostly, so I don't need a lot of pins, so this will be plenty. Yeah, so these are little baskets that I ordered. I figured just something small to put on my shelves to put all my little scrap fabrics in. And these are actually bigger than I thought they would be. And they fold out nicely. I know I can get like baskets and bins at my local dollar store, but this was actually cheaper than at my local dollar store, so I figured, why not try this? And if I liked them, I would maybe get some more, and if I didn't like them, then whatever, who cared? But no, I think I will like this. So I got 2 of these in black and 2 in gray. And you could get other colors too. Like, I mean, these are obviously not high-end baskets or anything like that, but just for something to throw some scraps in, or even have by my sewing machine to throw my offcuts in, I think these will be great. So I will just put my pins and all my other little notions that I got in here. See, easy storage. I'm gonna guess this is the one that my sisters talked me into getting. I was like, it's funny, and I showed it to them, and they said I should get it for my sewing room. So yeah, here it is, my little sign. Very angry black cat. I don't know, can you see what it says on there? Yeah. I thought it was funny, and I showed it to them, and they said I should get it and hang it up in my sewing room. So I did, because it was like $5. And like I said, you're not losing much if it's no good. All right, so the last thing that I got from Temu was this. I thought these were so adorable. They're little charms. Like, look at this. It's a little tiny sewing machine. I thought these would be so cute to put on like projects and stuff. These little scissors and a little pin and a little clothes hanger. Oh, so many cute little things. And there's another sewing machine. Well, this one even says Singer on it. Like, that's so cute. This was just a for fun thing. Oh my word, look at this teeny tiny little iron. That is adorable. All right, so that is everything that I got from my orders. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video, and stay tuned because I did just place my biggest Amazon order I have ever placed. I've got a bunch of packages on their way here. So be sure to stick around, and if you want to see what's coming there, I got lots of quilty stuff. And anyways, thank you so much for stopping in and watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, and please give me a thumbs up.